Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for English Grade 12. First, thoroughly review your course syllabus to understand expectations and assessment criteria. Next, establish a consistent reading and writing routine, dedicating specific times each week. Focus on actively engaging with texts, practicing analysis, and refining your essay structure. This foundational approach will build strong skills for success throughout the year. To excel, begin by deeply understanding your curriculum and the types of texts you will encounter. Actively read by highlighting key passages and making notes on literary devices such as imagery or irony. Focus on identifying central themes, character development, and plot structures. This careful analysis will help you grasp complex ideas and prepare for discussions and written assignments. Strong writing is crucial for English 12. Always outline your essays to ensure a logical flow of ideas and a clear argument. Craft compelling thesis statements and support them with specific textual evidence. After writing, meticulously proofread for any grammatical errors, punctuation mistakes, or spelling issues. Remember, seeking constructive feedback from your teacher or classmates is invaluable for improvement. Effective study habits are key to long-term success. Set up a quiet, dedicated study area to minimize distractions and maximize focus. Regularly review your previous assignments and incorporate feedback into your future work. Consider forming a study group to discuss challenging concepts and share different perspectives. Finally, practice timed writing exercises to build speed and confidence for exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.